Have you wondered why you will keep creating content and you're not getting views and your videos are not being recommended, and you will post video today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, like 3 days, 4 days, you are still having 1 view, 2 view, highest 20 views? Have you wondered why it's like that? It shows that there are some buttons or some features in your YouTube studio that you have not turned on. And I'm going to show you that, how to get that sorted out, okay? I'm going to show you 3 key things on how you can get that done, okay? The first I will show you is to know if your channel has been verified. So how are you going to do that? Let me show you how you will know that your channel is verified. So what we're going to do, we'll go to our browser. When it opens, you type in YouTube. We type in youtube.com, youtube.com/verify. Yeah. So when you check it, let's allow it to boot. You can see phone number verified. Your phone number has already been verified. That means this one is checked. So this is the first thing you need to check to know if your channel is verified. So the second one, we go to our browser again. We'll go back. Then, like I always say in my videos, I've already opened my browser studio. So it's already here. All I need to do is to click on it and go straight to our browser, okay? And when it opens, the first thing you will check, most times you post a video, or whenever you want to post a video, most people always forget to know, to identify if that video is meant for kids or is not meant for kids. So I'm going to show you how you are going to manually take it off completely, so that whenever you post, even if you forget, YouTube will not think that your videos are meant for kids, okay? So we'll go to our setting so that we're going to turn it off, okay? You go to your channel. From setting, you go to your channel. And the first one is basic info. That basic info is very, very important concerning your channel. And what you need to do is to set your country. Let me zoom it so that we'll see it very well. You check your country. I'm recording from Nigeria, and then the keywords concerning your channel. First of all, when you want to put the keyword, put your name, the name of your channel, so that it will be easy and very searchable. Whenever people click on it, it will pop up. Whenever they are searching your name, it will not be hard. Why? Because you've already set it in your keywords. So you put in your name, your channel name, and then put in other keywords. If you are doing how to, or if you are doing tips and tutorial, if you are doing education or vlog, travel vlog, depending on any, all the keywords or the topics or the things you create in your channel, you put it here. And then we go to advanced. This is where a lot of people have issue and they don't know how to turn it off, manually. Like here, they say, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? You can see my own is no. I've already, this second one there, no, set this channel as not made for kids. So whenever I'm posting video, if I remember or I don't remember, it's already ticked that is not meant for kids. So even if I don't remember, and YouTube will not, take it in a way that this video is for everyone, including kids, and then it will limit the views that come with that will be coming, or the traffic that will come into your channel. Then the third one is this feature eligibility. Make sure that all these features here are enabled. You can see the green. Check your own channel now, your studio, and make sure to know that all these features here are enabled. If they are not enabled, that means it will limit the traffic and the views that will be coming to your channel, and it also make your channel not to be recommended because all these things are not set. So please check your channel, and if you want your videos to go viral, if you want your videos to be recommended by YouTube, and you want to get a lot of traffic in your videos, do this now, okay? And then after you do that, because I've already set mine, you click save, because I'm not trying to change anything here. Mine is already set. And you also close it. After saving, you close it, and that is it. Remember, you do that through the setting. From the setting, you go to your channel. And please, if this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. And thank you to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all. Thank you for always engaging in my videos. And if you have any video you want me to create on, this is the opportunity for you to write it in the comment section. Here, I'll be putting in my recent video up here or here on how you can add end screen and cards to your videos anytime you post. And that is also important. So you need to check here or there on how you can do that, and also engage in other of my videos. Thanks for watching.